Green light and variable, clear for takeoff, runway 07 right.
Runway 07 right, clear for takeoff.
Right, cleared for takeoff.
Ready.
And ready auto thrust is
French Cargo
engaged.
567, line up and wait, runway 07 right.
That's it.
Line up and wait, runway
Airspace
07
alive.
right. French
Check.
Cargo 567.
80 knots.
Check.
Big one. Rotate. Positive rate.
And gear up.
Gear up.
Contact departure 122, decimal 0, bye bye.
Departure's 1220.